It has been 7 years since Tesla's 2019 Autonomy Day. Let's go over what Musk promised and what he really delivered.
But next year, for sure, we will have over 1 million Robotaxis on the road.
This was a complete lie. Tesla had 0 Robotaxis on public roads by the end of 2020. 7 years later, Tesla admits that its so-called unsupervised robotaxis are sometimes teleoperated by what it calls remote assistance operators.
If you say, what would be the probable gross profit from a single robotaxi? We think probably something on the order of $30,000 per year.
No Tesla owner has ever made a single cent from their vehicle acting as a robotaxi. Tesla is even being sued by its own customers over the false promises Tesla and Musk made about the future capabilities of Tesla's self-driving software.
You say, what is the net present value of a robotaxi? Probably on the order of a couple $100,000. So buying a Model 3 is a good deal.
This was another total fabrication. In fact, Teslas are some of the worst depreciating cars on the market. 2019 Model 3s depreciated by 62% after 5 years, while the average 2019 car depreciated by just 49% after 5 years.
The cars currently being built are all designed for 1 million miles of operation. So the drive units are designed and tested and validated for 1 million miles of operation. The new battery pack that probably go into production next year is designed explicitly for 1 million miles of operation. The entire vehicle, battery pack inclusive, is designed to operate for 1 million miles with minimal maintenance.
Teslas don't last anywhere near 1 million miles. In fact, Consumer Reports ranked them as the least reliable US car brand at the end of 2025. Hertz even sold its Tesla fleet at a huge loss because the vehicles were twice as costly to repair as gas-powered cars. To recap, Musk promised 1 million Tesla robotaxis by 2020. He delivered 0. Musk said that Tesla owners would earn $30,000 a year from their cars operating as robotaxis. No Tesla owner has ever made a single cent from this. Musk claimed that a $38,000 Model 3 would appreciate in value to $200,000. In reality, they depreciated faster than other similar vehicles. He said that Tesla had designed, tested, and validated its cars for 1 million miles of operation with minimal maintenance. That's 74 years at the average mileage driven by Americans each year. As with every other promise, this was a complete lie. Tesla is the least reliable US car brand. Why would anyone believe a word this snake oil salesman says?